Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. Most people think Google Chrome only works with Google search, but did you know you can easily use Bing as the default search engine in Chrome? In this video, I will show you how to set Bing as your default search engine in Google Chrome. It's very simple and takes less than 1 minute. First open Chrome. After that click on this one triple dot menu in the top right quadrant. Then scroll down and click on this one settings. After that click on search engine in the left sidebar. On the right you will see Google or some other search engine. Click on this one change button. From the list select this one option Microsoft Bing and then click on this one set as default. That's it. Now Bing is your default search engine under Chrome browser. Whenever you will search anything, it will now open in Bing search engine by default. Bye.